now let's take a look at the HU49, this dual-purpose model, and how to use it. It can unlock the old Volkswagen Jetta and Santana with 2-track flat milling. First, insert the tool into the lock. Apply force. Let's find the hard disk to tap first. Let's open it. 2 is soft. 4 is soft. 5 is soft. 6 is soft. 7 is hard. Tap it. Alright. 5 is hard.
Alright, 4 is hard.
3, 2, 4, 5.
Alright, this lock is now open. Let's read the cuts. For position 1, let's check position 1 is 1, position 2 is 2.
Position 3 is 3. Position 4 is 2. Position 5 is 1. Position 6 is 3.
Position 7 is 4. Remove the tool. Click on the profile code processing. Select the HU49 dual-purpose model. Alright, this is HU49. Click here, there are 2. We select the first one. Now, according to the diagram, insert the key blank. M5 furniture is aside. The one key blank. Confirm, then let's input our cut numbers. 12, 3, 2, 1, 3, 4. Alright, after inputting, let's verify if everything is correct. Click on key cutting.
Alright, the key is cut now. We remove the key. Insert it into the lock. Check if it works. Alright, and here is the completed HU49 key.